The acoustics of these chambers were not an accident. They were carved to amplify the human voice, turning a simple chant into a powerful mechanical vibration. Sound becomes a physical tool in Lalibela. It is the invisible architect that maintains the structural integrity of the frequency node. The artifacts of the highlands are the keys to the machine. These crosses are not just religious symbols, they are the tuning forks of the Ethiopian node.